Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a simple head counter for your website. It will increase every time you refresh your web page. So I guess let's start. First of all, you have to create a database. I am using a localhost server for this. It could also be done in any other server. I will go to my PHP admin. You you could either use a current database or could make another database. I'll be using a current database named tg. I will create another table named counts. The number of columns in counts will be 1. I would name the column as counts. It would be medium int. Int stands for integer. I will now save it. I will add the value 1 in the count. Okay. So for the time I will minimize it. Now let's open your Notepad++ or whatever text editor you use. Open up PHP tags. First let me save it somewhere. I will be saving it in my project. Hit counter.php. Save. Alright, so as you can see I have opened PHP tags. Now I will connect it to my database. I am using a variable named connect. You can take any name for your variable. This is the SQL command used to connect to your database. In the first one we will put IP address of a database, or you could say the host name. For me it's 127.0.0.1 and my username is root. My last blank is empty because I don't have any password. Now I will connect it to my database. MySQL underscore select underscore db is the command which is used to connect to the database, or you could say to select the database from the current user. The name of the database is tg. Alright, now we will connect to the table. We will here create another variable which will contain a MySQL query. We will name the variable as query itself. MySQL underscore query. The query will say select star means all from our table name is counts, as you remember, counts. Alright, so now we will create a loop. In loop we will gather information about how many counts we already have. So we will create another variable which will say row. You could also name it anything else. Row is equal to MySQL underscore sock underscore fetch. I guess I did it the wrong way. Yes, this one is right. Fetch. And in the bracket we will be naming the variable above. So I have took the variable as query, so I will over here write $query. Alright, in the while loop we will be writing what we have to summon from that database, like $count1 is equal to row counts. So we have summoned the counts which is currently in our database. Alright, so now we will increase count by 1. Count underscore new is equal to count 1 plus 1. Now we will update this. I'm going to we will here create another MySQL query. I'm going to take this variable as query1 is equal to MySQL underscore query. Update. Now use this and type over here the name of your database. Oh, I mean name of your table, that is counts. Use a dot, and then name of the column which you want to update, that is also counts. And now name of the field. I guess I've did a bit of mistake over here. We don't have to use these. Instead we will use the key above the tab, and over here we will write the name of a database, that is tg. Now we will write the name of the field with the command set. Our field name is also counts, so it will be counts is equal to count underscore new, and after that it will echo out previous hits is equal to count 1. It will show the previous hits on our website. And now it will show my next statement will show the current hits, and my next statement would be current hits, that is count underscore new. So let's save the page and see how it looks. Oh, I did a bit of mistake over there. Alright, so our previous hits were 1. If you remember, we inserted the value 1, and our current hits are 2. So if you refresh the page, previous hits 2, current hits 3. As you can see, the value will get increased every time. So if you can see, it's more than 100. Let's remove the previous thing, and now refresh the page. So it reached 141. You could also change the value simply by going over here. Alright, so this is how it worked. Guys, please subscribe me and share my videos. Please like it. If you want any help or want to request a tutorial, please visit my website. I would appreciate if you had request me a tutorial. Go to the request column, fill in your name, email, write the subject, choose the category, and message me. I'll be reading all the messages. If you have any concern, raise it. Mail me to my email address, or you could also contact me using the form in the website. Thank you.